Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another tutorial video. So guys, have you ever watched the opening of the video or film like this? Yes guys, surprisingly to create that opening, well, you can actually use the Capcut and create it from your smartphone. If you would like to know the step by step how to do it, please stay tuned and let's get into it. So, the first thing I will do is click the new project, and the first step we will do is add the black blank page or the black picture as the base to create the letter first. After the black picture is uploaded here, then I will also remove the watermark of the CapCut in the last clip. Then I will start to type the letter. Let's say I will type nature. Sorry, it should be here. Nature. And after that, I will choose the font that is thick. I will choose Rubik. And the animation I will choose is the hidden, and you can also adjust the speed. Let's say I will put it into 1 and 5 seconds and apply it. And also you can adjust the font size. And after that, I will let's see the effect first. Then I will create the keyframe, start from here, the second of first or one, and also the last second of this letter. And after that, I will expand this nature to become cover up all of the page until the page is turning white here. And let's see the result. Perfect. And don't forget to export it first, then I will remove or decrease the pixel here to become 7020 pixel and export it. It'll take you a while to export or render the result first. And the second step that we will do is we will go back to the home page of or the project, new project, and you can upload the video that contains about the nature. Then I will choose this video, and I will also use the ratio to become things that is enough and play it and add. And I will also mute the clip to avoid the copyright. And I will also remove the watermark. And next one, I will click the overlay and also put the first project about the letter of nature in the first video. Edit. Sorry. Perfect. There are two. Then I remove the one. Then For this blank picture, as you can see, it needs to cover all of the page for it to cover up. And next one, I will go to the splice and choose darken, guys. And let's see the result. That's all, guys. And then you can apply it, and let's see the result here. That's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try it by yourself into your smartphone or another device, and I believe that you will master these tips and tricks. And please don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel to know more about our another video tutorial. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't be hesitant to put it on a comment down below. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.